Hey guys, Chris here. Here with Eli, and we're about to do his. So we got a charge pipe, the Dynan intake, charge pipe, downpipe, and intercooler going in. All right, guys. So let's take off this air filter. Take off this clamp here. Loosen it. Come over here. Take your map sensor. Alright, this up. Alright, so now we're gonna try to remove this charge pipe. We got same thing here. We got a harness and same kind of hose. You just squeeze these and pull up. So let's take the harness out first. And here we can just enter a tool, kind of pull that clip up and out. Now I can just pull out. There's one side, there's the other, there's that. Hey guys, we're gonna take off all these little 8mm bolts to get under the underpan. Then we can get with the charge pipe, which hooks up to the intercooler, and we're gonna get rid of the intercooler and go with a new one and a new charge pipe. All right guys, so we got 2 bolts on the intercooler. You got one here and one here, the same thing on the same side. Those two is the only thing holding in your intercooler. You got these clips right here that you pop back, and then you kind of give the freeness of the fan. So you push this back, and then you get the fan loose. So once you get the intercooler out, that's all you have to do. There's these 2 clips on both sides, one here, one here. When you get rid of these clips first, there's these tabs in the back we're gonna pop, and then we can free up the intercooler, put in our new intercooler and our new charge pipe, because our charge pipe is kind of in the way over here. So let's get that going. So we got this one. And the same thing on the other side. Alright, now the only thing holding in the intercooler is a little bit of pressure from the fan. Clips are out, so now intercooler is literally gonna fall out. It's not a hard thing to get out. Boom. Don't have to take your bumper off. Don't listen to the hype. All right, now here's my charge pipe. So let's go get that out on the other side here. All right guys, so the hard part I found out in my car is taking off this charge pipe. So it could be difficult sometimes, more difficult than you want it to be. So we got our harness over here out of the way. We got this pipe there. I'm gonna first get it off of the manifold, and there it is. I'm gonna try to pull it from the bottom and then see how it goes, or I might try to pull it from the top to see how. Let me see what I got here for room. All right, let me try the bottom. So I'm gonna push it, kind of push it down here, and see if I can turn it out. Gotta pull it and turn it until you get it out. Some people get them out from the top, some people from the bottom. I say go whichever way it wants to come out. There she is. We need this sensor to go on our new charge pipe, so don't throw that away. Don't throw your whole charge pipe away, keep it. And this is actually a newer one, so you had to replace it once. All right guys, so we're here with the VRSF pipe, and the way we're gonna do this is there's a collar that steps from the top, which is gonna be this part, down to the bottom, which is gonna be this part. and it's 2 pieces. So take advantage of that to try to get your piece down in there, and then connect your rubber bushing there, your flex joint, because you're going to save a lot of time. So obviously there's one thing you don't want to forget. You don't want to forget to put these collars down the pipe, because then you won't be able to get your bushing on. See that? Like right there. So you want to get your bushing on first, and then you put your collar over. Which is not a big deal, you just got to spend a little more time. So here it is. Put your bushing on. Put your collar on, then your bushing in. And now you want to make it to where when this is in there, you got to get to this bolt. So make sure you're doing it the right way to where wherever you need the orientation to be is going to help you out. And you might need a little bit of lubrication to get this on so you don't destroy that O-ring, but it's just a maybe. First you could try to squeeze it in, and it worked for us, but if it doesn't work for you, get some lube, some oil. So we're going to put washer and Allen screw here. Tighten it down. Just kind of snug it up so it doesn't move around a lot on you. Snug it, don't loosen it. That way it's not just traveling on you. This one's fine for now, but we can snug it up just a little bit. Alright. Alright, now let's go back in. So we have the shape. We're going to go down and kind of twist it around and try to get it to fall into where we need it to go. So you're going to have to keep twisting and turning and getting it down in there. Let's get past some stuff here. Don't forget this part. There's gonna be a little O-ring in here that I just noticed when I looked at the charge pipe. That goes in our charge pipe. Same thing. There's like a little area where the seal goes. So we're gonna do the same thing here. Put it in there. Just kind of wrap it around. It's not too late. There you go. So the seal's in where we want it. We're gonna push this down a little bit and clear it so we can get our... Alright guys, so we got the harness back in. We're gonna tighten up our collars real quick. We're all the way in, so I'm gonna just blast them down. You wanna go by feel. So you kind of want to stop there, kind of feel it. If it's loose, go a little more. Alright guys, so this is probably 10 times the weight and 10 times the airflow as the stock by VRSF. And let's check it out. Let's put it in there. And Eli's going to be helping me a little bit on this one, holding it up because it is a heavier one. So let's go over here. Got it. One down. All right, other side. Here, some more air stuff. We're gonna put one side in here. Try to get about half on of both pipes. That looks pretty good there. And we're gonna put a collar on one side. Again, no need to over tighten, don't crack the carbon. There's one. I'm gonna go back in here. So breather goes on, push. Mass floor sensor back on, we're good. Tighten this up. Tighten that up. Tighten both of these up here. Loosen them first, get them in position. All right. Now what we're gonna try to do is start the car, give some acceleration, and let's see, make sure there's no boost leaks. So we're at downpipe area now, full of grease, and so here's what we need to do. We need to take off this little area, this padding right here, and sometimes it comes off in one piece, and if you watch some videos from Keys and all that good stuff, sometimes it comes off in multiple pieces. It just depends on how it cooked over time and all that good stuff, but we're gonna try to get it off all nice in one piece. Remember, black first, gray second. Let's remove some of these harnesses here. You can pop it actually right off of this. And then what you want to do is push and pull. Sometimes it's easier for me to get a pick under it and lift and push. And that's how I like to do it. So pick it and get it up, out. Here we go. So number one. Look how it crosses over. So remember, black is on this side. All right, so now this is gonna get dropped down. because it's gonna go down and under. Number 2 is gray. Same thing, pick under it, lift it, and send it. Come on out, pull it. Here's number 2. All right, so we're gonna take off these 2 bolts because we're not gonna no longer need this bracket. This downpipe's held up by its own weight. We're gonna take off this bolt down in here. Let me see that camera, I'll show them. So there's a bolt down in there that we're gonna be removing. Yes, you can see there. And this guy right here, they're just 2 clamps. So here we go. So this is the low. This is the low. This is the high. So one at a time, so you don't get confused. We don't get confused. To 22mm key. Tighten her down. There's always a way. Now we gotta do a little trick where we gotta tie up these sensors so we can get them back out.
You know, our tail's gonna sound better.
I mean, yeah, I'll show you what the difference is. So inside of this thing, you see that screen?
Yeah.
It goes from here to here, full screen. And that's what catches your bad parts of the exhaust, the carbon monoxide.
Yeah.
And here, that's a big old screen. Hey guys, so it's the next day after we did Eli's car. We did front mount intercooler. We did charge pipe, downpipe, and air intake from Dynan. The charge pipe and intercooler was from VRSF, and so was the downpipe. So we didn't get to film everything because I needed a hand from him, and also it was getting kind of late. But what we did was we managed to put all full bolt-ons, all 4 parts in 4 hours, or a little bit less than 4 hours actually. So that was me. That's at-home mechanic. DIY mechanic, and he was giving me a hand, and he's never really done anything like this before. So we did pretty good for a couple of new guys. And what's funny is that every shop was quoting him 8 hours and $1,000 to do those parts. So anyway, we did it in 4, and we weren't a shop. We didn't have a lift, and luckily I have all the tools because I've been building tools for quite a while. So I appreciate you guys watching, and please like and subscribe. If you are in the area and your car needs some bolt-ons, feel free to ask me. You know, I'll definitely help you out the best I can. And yeah, so thanks guys for watching. I appreciate it, and we'll be making some more content soon. I've actually got a cool video coming out with my car real soon, and some stuff in the works. Thanks guys, have a good day.